With the rapid growth of China's economy and the flourishing development of tourism industry, commercial supermarkets, hotels, subway airports, train stations, etc., in major cities are equipped with escalators. The widespread use of escalators brings great convenience to the transportation of passengers and goods. During the daily use of escalators, there may be dust, mud, oil, and other miscellaneous foreign objects left on the steps, causing an impact on the cleanliness and aesthetics of the escalator. Based on market feedback and thorough research by the R&D team, developed an effective cleaning tool for escalator cleaning, escalator brush. Placing now the sport, warn tourists the cleaning work is underway. Pay attention to safety. Measure and open the escalator brush kit. Remove the escalator scale card. Measure the matching cleaning cotton model used for the escalator. Install and remove matching cleaning pads. Install 2 aluminum plates. Then install the handle and adjust the appropriate height. Visually inspect the degree of dirt on the elevator stairs. Mix the cleaning agent with clean water and inject it into the cleaning agent box. Not cleaned for a long time, with a 1:1 ratio of cleaning agents. Excessive fluting dust, cleaning agent 1:5 ratio. Regular daily maintenance, with a 1:10 ratio of cleaning agents. Pour the blended medicine into the medicine box. Pour up to the liquid level line, about 2 centimeters. Pick up the escalator brush and soak it in detergent for about 10 seconds. Then remove and leave for 3 seconds to drain excess cleaning agent. Clean the surface first. At this time, the elevator needs to operate normally. First, stand at one end of the escalator railing. The escalator brush has a forward placement sign. Slowly place it on the stairs and follow the elevator as it rotates. Insert the ladder groove and press the escalator brush appropriately to achieve better fit and remove stains. When the cleaning cotton becomes dry due to excessive dust, it should be soaked in the cleaning agent again as soon as possible. When the cleaning cotton is severely dirty, it is necessary to replace it with a clean cleaning cotton. Collect dirty cleaning cotton for centralized cleaning. Operate in this loop. When the escalator track steps have completed one cycle of cleaning, only then can the escalator brush be moved left and right for cleaning, until the entire escalator track step is completely cleaned. Clean the elevation of the escalator track ladder. At this time, the elevator power must be turned off for cleaning work. The elevator stops and follows the direction from bottom to top to clean each staircase facade in sequence. Because the danger factor of cleaning upside down is higher, it is essential to ensure the safety of the staff. Clean the facade steps from bottom to top. At this point, it is necessary to start the escalator when performing the same facade cleaning work on the unclean side. Next, we need to clean the dirty sponge and cleaning agent box. It is recommended to use a high-pressure water gun or directly rinse with tap water for dirty cleaning cotton. Timely cleaning and drying. Clean cotton and keep it properly to avoid compression deformation.